Today we are in Friendship Cemetery, and we're going to be cleaning our first marker of the season. I went around and looked to check on the stability of the markers first and see which ones could really use some help. So this marble marker is on a solid plinth and affixed firmly to its marble foundation. It is missing its top and doesn't seem to be laying around anywhere, but we got quite a bit of growth growing on. Some moss and some other biologics. But we're going to be using water, D2 Antibiological Solution, undiluted, and soft bristle brushes, like toothbrushes and kind of brushes you use to wash your car. And we'll see if we can make this marker out again, because at this very moment it's not legible. So we'll see how it goes.